If your Chase card has been declined, it may be due to several reasons. The primary reason is often that the card limit has been reached, in which case, no further borrowing is allowed until the existing balance is paid off. Exceeding this limit also affects the utilization ratio, ultimately impacting the credit score. To resolve this issue, it is necessary to repay the outstanding balance. Another possible reason for a declined card is that it has expired. If the card has expired, purchases will be declined, even if a replacement card has been sent. In cases where there is a delay, it is advisable to contact the bank to check on the status of the replacement card and ensure the address on file is correct. Then wait for the new card to arrive. A declined card may also be the result of the card being closed, which can occur if the terms of use are not complied with or if the card has not been used in a while. In such instances, contacting the bank to request that the card be reopened may be an option. Or alternatively, signing up for a new card may be necessary. Addressing the issue promptly can help to resolve the problem and allow for continued use of the card.